Over in St. Mary, a man is dead and another in hospital after they were chopped in Lewis store Friday night. Reports are that the two men were heading home when they were ambushed and the motorbike they were driving burnt by an unknown assailant. It happened about 9:30. The injured man was reportedly chopped on the arm while 36-year-old Delroy Williams was chased to his farm where he was chopped to death. The sister of the deceased spoke with TVJ News.
So when my brother coming up, him and him friend, them attacked him friend and him. Them said him chop the friend panny and chop my brother, and my brother run in field and them run after him and then them chop him up. And this morning, now my baby father come tell me that my brother dead die around a bamboo corner.
This is the 15th murder recorded in the parish since the start of the year. The Belfield police are investigating.